My wish, if I could have one, would be for everyone to have a Mackenzie in their life.
I would eat my Tupelo, you know, fucking Van Morrison.
Then we have her other half, Michael.
Bam!
He truly is one of my favorite people in the world.
I wish my mind would just shut up again. I wish that I was regular and didn't overthink.
Mackenzie, we used to call her Ricochet Rabbit. There's a lot of you that are too young to know what Ricochet Rabbit is. That's Mackenzie. Bing, bing, bing.
Kenz is also wild, energetic, and the life of the party. Also the queen of any dance floor she ever steps on.
I can't say how happy I am for you two and all of us being a family. So thank you all, and let's drink.
You guys are gonna have fun editing this shit.